In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Stunnin' by Curtis Waters featuring Harm Franklin, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. Now to play the song Stunnin', we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's two chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are E minor and A7. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the second fret, take your second finger, press down on the second string of the third fret, then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the fourth fret. This is E minor. And the last chord for the song is A7. To play that, just take your first finger and press down on the third string of the first fret. This is A7. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, pause, tap. Let's play through that string pattern together on the E minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, E minor, down strum, down, down, pause, tap, down, pause, tap, down, pause, tap, down, pause, tap. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be E minor for 4 beats and A7 for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, E minor, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, A7, go. 1, 2, E minor, go. 1, 2, A7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, E minor, down strum, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, A7, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 1, 2, 3, A7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Stunnin'. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good girl, run my finger like pasta. I need some advice, call the pastor. She's got big brain, she a master. Little Einstein, I'm a blast off. Take it slow or go faster. If I bust quick or mess up, young Bollywood, get gassed up, get rich quick. Big bags, I'm cashed up. Ice on my neck, that's incoming. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Call me Big Papa, I'm sunning. I supply the fun when she want it. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Stunnin'. And that's how you play Stunnin' by Curtis Waters featuring Harm Franklin. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. Brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And lastly, I want to invite you to join the You Can Uke community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can connect with other ukulele players, join new challenges, and win cool prizes. So download it for free today. It's available on all iPhone and Android devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.